We're at the Cicada Market. I hope there's not a Thai guy standing in front of it, ruining the shot. Oh, I never even leave the house this late. So usually I miss this market. It's a night market. I'm out. Look at me, nightlife hero. So let's go check it out. I've never been.
She's waiting for my love. She's waiting for my love. She's waiting.
They got skewers, but there's plants in them, so that's toxic. Oh my goodness. Oh, the potato ones, oh my god. Oh my god. Seafood salad. That's an oxymoron if I ever heard one. Oh, look at those ducks. Oh my god. I want to buy that whole thing. Oh my god. Sawadee krab. Chao lai krab. Oh, yeah.
1,000 baht.
1,000 baht. Wow. Aloy Mac Mac. Okay. 1,000 baht. That's $40. Oh my god. They're 500 in the mall. It did look good. It did look worth it. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, barbecue pork. Little sausage balls. They're rotating on an open fire. I'm sure they appreciate me filming. I smell the charcoal fires of hell. I smell it. Can't breathe. Help me. That looks spicy. That's bound to be spicy. Each one gets hotter. Oh my god. There's a log of sausage for you. Oh. Oh, that chicken looks yummy. Wow. So much barbecue happening here. Oh my god, ribs. Oh, it's food pornography. All I eat is steamed meat. Do they realize the suffering that I live through daily? I have steamed pork. Oh my god. Octopus waffles. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why, hello to you? Oh. Wow. What are those rotisserie things? Fishies rotisserie their way through life? Oh my goodness. There's that aisle, then there's this one. I can't decide. Sawadee krab? Crabs? Oh my goodness. Sawadee krab? Horseshoe crab. Oh, they got eggs in there. There's a lucky one. Mussels. This is the seafood aisle. All that stuff. There's vegetables. Oh, that is pathetic. That is pathetic. That is sad to see. What has this world come to? That looks delicious. Squids. I don't think I've ever had. Yes, I have. They're weird. Oh my god, the lobster. 1,300 baht. Oh, the charcoal. I can't breathe. Oh my god. So this is all like arts and crafts and stuff. Hello. I almost said Sawadee krab. I get so awkward. I halfway commit to saying hello. So no. Hello. This is a big market. There's a lot of stuff over here. 65 baht for those little cakes. Little cakes. T-shirts, but I only wear vegetable police t-shirts and monkey strength shirts now. Links are down below. Alright, I found the ghetto market next door. No longer has a paved sidewalk. It's mostly used food. Cashew nuts. Yes, yes. Hello. But they're toxic. That's what they don't want to tell you. French fries. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fried chicken. It's the worst form of chicken you can eat. But they sell it here for some reason. How much is the cackle? You can get yourself some cockle right there. Cockle's 100 baht. I feel like those things are looking at me, even though they're dead. That can't be good. Eat your heart out, KFC. Take that. Oh my god, is that a pork leg? Pork leg? Wow. Fried egg waffles? Are those oyster omelets? Barbecued stuff? Hello, hello. Oh my god, that chicken. Oh my god. Tell lie crap, the whole thing?
280 baht.
Okay.
100.
Next time. Khop kun krap. I would eat that whole damn chicken, I tell you that much. Where have I gone? The market's over? Okay, we found the next section here. More food. Are those corn dogs? It looks like a little corn dog. Like a rocket ship. Wow. Corn rocket ships. Oh my god, roasted pork. She honked like a pig to symbolize its crying for help. And they ignored the pain of the pig. That is unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Lots of seafood here. Papaya salad for those who enjoy the feeling of scraping fiber along their bleeding colons. 200 baht. You can throw out the salad underneath. Lobster. Is that a lobster? They're fake. They're so cheap that it feels like it's an imposter lobster. They sell fake lobster here. People are eating their food. They're enjoying their lives. Seems rude. Seems rude. What do we got here? Cheese? We got a cheese stand next to a berry stand. Don't shop at one and then the other. You'll have a tummy ache. That's all. Is that deep fried cheese? Is he deep frying cheese right now? Sawadee krap. French fries. Said it was a cheese stand. It's a lie. He lied. Ginger. Not a lot of people shop at this one because it's just a big hunk of ginger. you might want to reinvent yourself. That's deep fried chicken wings. Tiny little chicken wings, baby chickens. Ripped away from their parents when they were 3 months old. Terrible. I have a rock in my sandal. That's a nightmare. The sharp stabbing pain in my heel. Trying to push on. Charcoal grilled pork neck. Pork neck. I think I've had that. It had something bitter that exploded, a little gooey earwax type of thing, so I never got it again. Oh my god, roasted chicken with honey. Oh my god. Look at it, it's calling to me. It smells so glorious. Tao lai crab, the whole thing. 340. Okay. How did they cook that? What was in that? Is that a deep fried thing? He pulled it out of a thing. I do wonder. It said roasted. I can't see over the top. Okay, it's roasted. I thought it was a big deep frying thing. Oh, they put flowers on it to pretend. To pretend it's not a dead animal. They hide it with flowers. They're crafty here in Thailand. So I think we're done here. Is there anything else? This guy's selling shrimp out of his truck. Shrimp in a truck. Shrimp in a truck. Sawadee krab.
Yeah, super.
Aloy. That's all I ever can say. Delicious? Delicious? That's all I know. I need to learn more words. Sounds good. Kid's good. He's got a future. So this was the Tamarind Market, right beside the Cicada Market. They're connected through the spirit, the Thai spirit. They got Bello Dolce here, gelato. So that was a pretty cool market. I would go back again. I want to get that one chicken I saw behind. See, he had $280 for that chicken, $340 for the honey one. Oh my goodness, you gotta shop around for your chicken needs. So, we're done. We're done. We got a whole group now. What is all of that? That's where we just were when we started the video. And all these people showed up. Oh my goodness. So we're done. As the Thai man serenades us with his megaphone. Thank you so much for watching the video. Consider giving it a thumbs up if you liked it. Unbelievable. Thumbs down. If you have 5 cockroaches in your hand right now, and you're drinking a pineapple lard smoothie, loser. What a loser thing to do. Is that a school or something? A little Thai girl, she's so pretty. You're so pretty. Feels like it's a school trip, field trip or something. Are we still recording? We're recording. Okay, we're done. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.